To add a new experience to a consultant, scroll down on their profile until you reach the Professional Experiences section and click on Add Experience. In the new window, enter the job title for this experience and the name of the company or employer. Afterwards, select an industry. Then, select a start date and either an end date, or if the project is ongoing, check the Project Still Ongoing box. If you want, you can add specific projects to each experience. Enter the name of the project and the name of the client as well. Next, paste the overall mission of the professional experience, and once you've done that, enter the description of the tasks and responsibilities. You also have the option to select the role or multiple roles for this professional experience by clicking Add Role. Finally, you have two options for skills. You can enter skills manually, either individually or in bulk, or you can click Auto Detect Skills, and the system will automatically extract the skills from the descriptions you entered above. If you'd like AI to rewrite the mission and the tasks and responsibilities, just click the AI assistant icon next to their respective titles and either run the predefined prompt or write your own. Once you're done, press Save, and you'll see the new professional experience on the consultant's profile.